Bonjour, bonjour les amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. Let me introduce to you another website, an important institution which is called INSEE. INSEE is Institut National de la Statistique et des Études Économiques. This is, I went directly here and they say it's organization that works for the Ministry of Economy and Finance. And what they do is they do statistics. They do public statistic. Public statistic. Some people recently, I heard people they criticize ENSE. They say the statistics are fake, or they always follow a little bit. But this is always, because we are in the logical society. France is logic. There is the logic. So whatever you have, first people will look at the numbers, at the figures. They say, oh, how many? What's the number for the unemployment? What's the number for the disease? What's the number for the gross economic? What's the number? And then from this, they can legitimate a policy. They can push a policy. They can say, you see, we did the good things or we did the bad things, or they can judge and you need the figures. And of course, the figures, there's always ways to try and cheat the figures because it's very, it's a very sensitive subject. So let's have a look. Anyway, it's always interesting. They should be independent, normally, qui doit veiller au respect du principe d'indépendance professionnelle. They should be independent, doing the statistic in the independent way. And maybe they are a little bit, but maybe of course, there is a lot of pressure. Okay, so what can we see? All kind of statistics that you can find here. You see, is the different, les thèmes can be la démographie, which is about the population, le revenu, le pouvoir d'achat, la consommation, so the income, the buying power and the consumption, conditions de vie, okay, le marché du travail, so how many people work, the salary, the income, the companies, aménagement du territoire, so the cities, the district, and how the France is organized. The long-term environmental friendly development. So you have all kind of things. Economy, the economy, national account. So let's have a look a little bit at maybe le revenu. Revenu, pouvoir d'achat, ok? So le revenu. Prix, hausse des prix. So each year they will calculate what's the increase of the price. Hausse des prix en janvier de 0,3. So in the month of January, the price increased 0.3%. Okay. Indice du haut de prix de Martinique. Okay. À Guadeloupe, so it depends where you are. This is Martinique, Guadeloupe. Évolution du revenu disponible brut et du pouvoir d'achat. So let's have a look at something. Revenu, pouvoir d'achat, I don't know, what can we find? Tableau de conjoncture, we want to find something, but I'm not sure how to look for it. Collection, I'm not sure how to look for it. Thème, économie, I never look at it, donc we'll see. Revenu, pouvoir d'achat, non, maybe le prix 2018, ok? So let's try to find how much the price increase in 2018. So they didn't try too much. C'est indice des prix. Indice. Indice prix, which means indice prix, it means how much the price increase. Prix à la consommation. Les prix des produits agricoles. I don't know where to find it. Hein. Les prix des logements. Les prix à la consommation. Indice des prix à la consommation. No, it's not here. Let's show all the things. Indice prix annuel 2018. I cannot find. Indice prix à la consommation. I cannot find. Indice de coût et de prix de la construction. For the buildings. Indice des prix à la consommation. Ok. Indice des prix à la consommation. Normally it's this one. Anyway, let's open one. It takes time to search through here. I never use it most of the time. Okay. So here it is. Indice des prix à série chronologique par regroupement de produits. So this is interesting. Okay. Here it is. By zip. Maybe I can open it. Ok. Valeur annuelle. valeur mensuelle. Let's have a look at this. Okay, on Excel, indice. Come on, who cares about this? That's kind of interesting. A bit complicated. What do they say here? You need to read their stuff. I'm not so sure, huh? But that's the price. Okay, that must be the year. That should be the year. You see the year. De 1990 until 2015. And you can see the increase in the price. The increase in the price. But not so sure how you should read this. So let's close it anyway. I'm not so sure how you should read it. Anyway, okay, you know, you can have a look at all this by yourself. It's quite interesting. You need to go through it a little bit, and then you can find many datas. Everything is, you know, everything is, it can be very useful. Okay. Bon, à bientôt les amis. Let me leave you because I'm not going to go through it with you. À bientôt les amis. Take care. And don't forget, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And don't forget, you can also donate on Patreon. Take care everyone.